How to use Messenger without Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use Messenger without Facebook. So let's get started. So if you want to use Messenger only without using Facebook, then you can deactivate your Facebook and use Messenger only. And in order to deactivate your Facebook account, here is a simple method you can try. Firstly, go to your Facebook application and open your Facebook account. Make sure that you have logged in into your account. Now click on the three dashed line in the upper right corner. Scroll down and you will see the option of settings and privacy. Click on it. Again click on settings and you will be appeared on a new homepage of settings of your Facebook application. Here tap on the see more in account center option and again you will be appeared on the account center of your Facebook account. Now click on the personal details option and here you will see the personal details of your Facebook account. Tap on the account ownership and control. Again click on the second option that says deactivation or deletion. Tap on your account and now you can select whether you want to deactivate your account or delete your account. Enter your password here and after that click on continue. Here you can select the reason on why you are deactivating your Facebook account. After choosing your reason, click on the continue option and again click on continue. And finally click on the deactivate my account option and your Facebook account will be deactivated. And finally your Facebook account is deactivated and now you can use your Messenger without using Facebook. So that's it. This is how you can use Messenger without Facebook. I hope you guys understood this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.